If you sell a service and you're having difficulty either raising your prices or getting the price or value that you feel you deserve, check out this video. So what's worked really well for me in the past is because it used to feel uncomfortable asking for thousands or tens of thousands of dollars a month for a retainer, for a client, for a project. And it wasn't until I tried this strategy that it completely removed all of those feelings of apprehension asking for the sale or asking for the money. So here's what I do. When everything is all said and done and I understand what they're looking for, what their pain points are, I'm confident I'm the best option for them. They are confident in my ability and we have good rapport, we have good connection. All of that is well taken care of. Let's just say they're an ideal potential client, so they're vetted and qualified, and it's getting down to budget. I need to figure out where they are on the spectrum so I can build the plan, build the proposal that's going to solve this big problem for them. For example, let's say we go through all of our questions and everything looks good, and I'm thinking in my head, it sounds like this client would have to invest $5,000-$6,000 a month to solve this problem and be happy with the solution that we're going to provide. Now, if I were to say, what's your budget for this project? And the client then comes back and says, oh, we can spend $2,000 a month. All of a sudden the deal is dead because I'm not going to be able to deliver a high enough quality of service at $2,000 a month because I know based off of experience that I need at least $5,000 to $6,000 a month. So at that point, I would tell the client, I'm sorry, that's kind of out of budget, or that's out of range for what I personally feel based on my experience, what would solve this problem for you and that you would be ecstatic about. So, then I can refer them to somebody else, maybe that has a different approach. But instead of asking for a number up front, which sometimes is uncomfortable for the client, sometimes they don't know what their budget is and they need to get quotes, so they're triple bidding, which I'll talk about in another video, but do this instead. So say based off of, I've heard this scope many times, I've solved this problem before, here are some examples of that. Based off of what you're looking for and what I think you'd be really happy with is somewhere between $5,000 and $10,000 a month would give me enough resources to make sure you're getting the value that you're looking for. Where do you see yourself falling on that spectrum? So this does a couple different things, which I'll explain in future videos, but this at least gives them an idea of, okay, 5 is low, 10 is high, maybe I should go in the middle. So try that out and let me know how it works.